I welcome you back again to another awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to prevent auto-close of your Python files while using your Python shell ID to write your codes. Let's move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Okay, so these are Python shell, but there is a very big problem that we usually face, and that is the problem of auto-close. What do I mean by auto-close? Well, you have your Python file, and this is if Python file. Let's go ahead and click on this and save this file. And I'm going to save this on desktop. Go ahead and hit on your desktop, and we're going to save this as testshell.py. Testshell.py, and hit on save. And now let's go ahead and hit on this. And this is Python shell. Now, if you go ahead and click on this, it comes up and it closes again. You see that? That is the problem you have. The problem of auto-close. And the question is, how can you be able to solve this problem? Go ahead and minimize this. And let me show you how to do that. If you have written a program, maybe you want to collect something from user, and you go ahead and say print. Let's say print anything. What can we say? Print hello. Okay? Print hello world. Print hello world. And if you go ahead, you can go ahead and click enter, and this is executed. And you can also save this file, and this file is saved. Now let's go back to our desktop and check it out. Go ahead and double click on this, and the console comes up and it closes. You see that? It's a very big problem, and I'm going to show you how to do that, because you have to come here and open your file and always run your project, but it comes up and closes. And beginners in Python will be like, what is going on? I'm going to show you how to solve this problem right now. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and say, so maybe you want to accept input from a user. We can say name is equal to input, and I'm going to say enter your name. So enter your name, and when you click on this, it says enter your name, and my name is this, but you need to print out this. Then you can go ahead and go to your files and save this. Can go ahead and save this, and it is saved. And go over here and click on this. It comes up and closes again. Now go back here and type again, name is equal to input, and this is going to be enter your name, and go ahead and hit enter. For you to solve this problem, you go back to files and click on new file. And while you click on new file, you can always go and save this again. And let's go ahead and save this as test shell. We have test shell here, and go ahead and save this, and it will override this. Yes, replace that. You have multiple windows open. Okay. What you need to do is close this. Do you want to? Your program is still running. Do you want to kill it? Okay. So now I have this test shell.python. You can name it any other thing to be a different file altogether. Okay? You can name it any other thing here. Now, go ahead and click on and say name is equal to input, and this is going to ask you to enter your name. So now you have enter your name. This is not going to execute whenever you click enter. Then you can go ahead and say age is equal to input, enter your age, and you can go ahead and always save this file, because if you fail to save it, let's go ahead and run without saving, and it says source must be saved. You can click OK to save this, and it will open up this. So the first one is enter your name, and you can see that this is too close, because if I write my name here, it is touching this. Go ahead and close this file again. Do you want to kill this? Okay. Go ahead and put an escape character, maybe next line, or give a space. I'll put the first one to the next line, and the next one is space. So we always know about escape characters and what they do. So go ahead and run this, or you press F5, run this, and okay. You save that. Alright, I'll drag this down. The first one says enter your name, and down here you enter your name, and my name is hello. Hit enter, enter your age. You see, this is not next line but a space, and my age is 24. Hit OK, and you can go ahead and close this. Now, if you close this file and come back to open it again, it is not going to open. It will always pop up and close. For you to overcome that problem, you go ahead and say, maybe you can go ahead and say quit. Let's go with this quit. Okay, quit is a name, and exit. Exit, input, and I'm going to say want to exit. Want to exit? Yes. Press enter. So anytime you press enter, this will automatically close. Let's go ahead and run this code. Start this module before you run this code again. Ctrl save and run, and this comes up. So let's go ahead and say enter your name, world, and age. 18. Want to exit, press enter. So now you can close all your files and go to your desktop and check this out. So this is my Python test shell, and our test shell we created is click open. So you can see that this time around, this did not just close immediately, because it has something there. So it has something here. It says enter your name, and my name is educate. Hit enter. So enter your age, and my age is 24. Hit enter. Want to exit, press enter. You see that? So if you want to exit this program, if you click enter, this goes off. Let's go ahead and hit enter, and the program closes. So this is how you can be able to overcome the problem of auto chain, auto close in Python shell. So next time you can come back and run your program, and you execute it, because so after the first time you run, you develop this application. Each time you come back, it will open as a command prompt, and if you don't have anything you use to hold this, it will always close. So I believe you've learned how to solve the problem of auto close, and if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.